my bag 2022 because I feel like this is the first time I'm gonna be doing this for this year. And I know I haven't been posting a lot lately. I'm really super sorry. I got busy. Then I will try to post more consistently from now on. My last vlog was a PVL vlog and I was super happy to finally get the chance to watch volleyball again kasi sobrang tagal talaga. Like, I feel like more than 2 years ako hindi nakanood ng volleyball because the last time was before lockdown mismo. I think I have a vlog. I'll put the link down below. It was like when I was gone vlog kasi ang tagal ko rin hindi nag-vlog. Tapos yun yung comeback vlog ko. Tapos, after kumalad ng UAP, biglang nag-lockdown. So, yun. So, right now, going back, today I'm gonna be doing a what's in my bag. And this is my bag. This is a very, very small bag. This is the Coach Nolita 15. I was actually asking for the Nolita 19, pero hindi ata kami nagkaintindihan ni Daddy. So, ito yung binili niya sa akin. This is the Coach Nolita 15. It's way smaller. The Nolita 19 is bigger ata. Parang may half pa or 1/4 pa nito. 1 1/4 nito, parang ganun. So, ito, pero ayan, since ito yung nabili sa akin, I'm using it. Alam ko uso kasi yung mga maliliit na bags, diba? And it may be small, but it fits a lot. I only use this when we're going to the mall or pag mabilisan lang, kakain lang. Because I have all my essentials here naman din already. So, I get to use this bag. I only got this last week, but then I've used it several times already. So let's get started. So let's start here on the outside. This is a claw clip. I use claw clips kasi nga para hindi ma-damage yung hair. And it's super hot in the Philippines right now. It's summertime and it's super hot. So I use a claw clip to tie my hair. And then this one, I got this from Shopee. It's a bag extender. I got this for only 93 pesos. Meron siyang silver, meron siyang gold. But I got the gold one kasi gold yung exterior nitong Coach Nolita 15. And kasi maliit lang yung bag if wala nito. So, ginaganto lang siya, guys. Ayan. And then you just remove it. If without this, the bag will just be this small. And it's super small. So, I'm using this. Great thing is, I bought this na before dumating yung bag. So, ayan. And then, here I have an alcohol. Mas prefer ko na ngayon yung gantong alcohol kasi nasa labas siya. Hindi mo na kailangan i-open yung bag mo para hanapin pa yung alcohol. And, syempre, pag ginawa mo yan, madudumihan pa yung stuff sa loob ng bag mo. So, I'm just using this. It also has a gold, parang keychain. And then, it has a letter M there. My mom just got this from Shopee too. I'll ask for her yung link so I can put it down below. I'll put all the links of the stuff I got from Shopee down below. And then, yeah, it's just alcohol. And I think kasama na yung alcohol bottle spray. Parang pumunta pa sa camera. Ayan. So, ayan yung alcohol. Now, let's look into the inside of the bag. And then, there's ano pala, parang a keychain from Coach. Kasama siya ng bag mo. So, when I use this, kasya naman siya sa kilikili ko. Kasya naman siya sa ganyan. Or, it's either I put it here, or I'm just holding it. Because it's so cute. I really love small bags, especially baguette bags. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna remove this first. So, I have all my essentials over here. First is this. This is a Paypakwa candy because you'll never know when you're gonna need a Paypakwa. Usually, pag kumakain ako ng matamis, nagaganto ako or Lola Remedios. Kasi naman yung Lola Remedios dito pero wala akong dala. So, I have Paypakwa. I have 2. And then, next is I have wipes. Of course, you need wipes, especially when you're gonna go to the bathroom. Because, you know, you wanna be hygienic. Because it's dirty. Kasi syempre, the bathroom's dirty. So, yeah. This is wipes. This is from Sanicare. Sobrang tagal na namin ito in-use kasi maliit lang siya. It's the mini wipes. It has 8 sheets. And What I like about it is that it's small, it's handy. You can put it kahit sa anong bag kasi kasya siya. Kasi hindi ko naman kailangan yung ganong kalaking wipes ba. So, ayan. And wala siyang matapang na scent. So, I like it. And you can buy this in packs. It's super affordable too. So, you guys have to check out this. It's the Sanicare Mini Wipes. Not sponsored, pero baka naman. Next is I have tissue. This is the 10 pocket tissue. Medyo parang na-murder na siya. Ito yung parang may wallet. Kasi nga, para mas malinis din. Pero medyo nasira na siya. Kasi hindi ko siya masyado nagamit. Pero, yan, when you go to the bathroom or you have to blow your nose sometimes. So, I always bring tissue. And sometimes when you just have to wipe something. Then next is I have this. This is a Tide to Go. I love white shirts. And you know, pag white shirts, sobrang at risk niya for stains. That's why I always have a Tide to Go. And then, ito yung ipipress mo lang yung pen para mawala yung stain. So, there. And then, I also have lots of lippies or lip products. These are not lipsticks though. I have this rosebalm.com from Glossy. It is actually from my cousin, Ate Kirsten. Thank you so much, Ate Kirsten. I'm using it and I love it. Because I really love lip balms and lip glosses. Kasi my lips are always dry. So I use them to hydrate my lips. I use this. This is the rosebalm.com. And then at the same time, of course, I'm always bringing this. This is the chapstick. My favorite actually is yung green, yung mint. But then, this is what we have right now at the house. It's the classic strawberry. So, yeah, it's fine lang din naman. Basta meron akong lip balm. I really need a lip balm. And then, I also have this lip gloss from Glitzbish. What I like about this gloss is that it has color. So, you don't have to worry. So, ayan, let's have it. You know, there's like a pink color. So, you don't have to worry about reapplying your lip tint. And at the same time, kasi I use this lip tint from Innisfree. It's the one I use for my Vogue makeup, beauty secrets, you know. That's what I use. It's the Innisfree tint. It's like a water tint, and I swear it stays on your lips and on your cheeks for the whole day. So I really love it. That's why I don't bring cheek tints or lip tints anymore. I only bring lip glosses to reapply because it really literally stays on your face for the whole day. And then I think this is the last thing that's on my bag. This is a wallet. I also got it from Coach. I only have my vaccination card with me. And then I have some money. Actually, it's rare that I have money, but yeah. And what I like about this wallet is that it's so small, it's so compact, and then it has a zipper for your money. Diba sometimes people just put it here on sa mga pockets. Pero mas prefer ko sa loob para mas safe, and then at the same time you can also put coins. That's why I like it because it's so small, it's so nipis, but then you can put a lot. And knowing that my bag is so small, I really need a compact wallet. So yeah, that's it. That's it for my what's in my bag. Oh, my phone. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna ask, where's my phone? I really don't put my phone sa bag ko na kasi I have a phone strap. I can't show it to you kasi I'm using my phone to film. But then I'll insert a video. My phone has a phone strap, so I usually just put it on my wrist or I just hold it kasi hindi ko na siya pinapasok sa bag ko kasi lagi ko rin naman siyang gamit. In cases lang that I really have to put it in my bag, pinagkakasya ko siya, or I'll just put it sa pocket ko. But then, most of the times, I just really put it on my wrist since I have a wrist charm. So, that's what I usually do lang with my phone. So, yeah, that's it for this very short video because my bag's so small. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if some of you guys are planning to buy a Coach Nolita 15 or 19, I hope you guys were more encouraged to buy this bag. I really love this bag. It's so small. It's so fashionable also. So, you You guys should get it now. Coach, you should sponsor me for this. Joke. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more of me, please hit the subscribe button down below. And click the notification bell beside it to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you guys have video suggestions, just comment them down below and I'll try to promise and do them. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is Mikee saying, don't let your dreams just be dreams, make them come true. Bye!